Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed? We started our FA1 revision, right, children? So today we are going to discuss the remaining part. FA1 revision. Yes. So tell me, children, in the last video what we discussed about yourself, and we finished about different talents. Am I right? So today what we are going to discuss here, taking care of myself. Here in this page it is there, page number 11, taking care of myself. How you are taking care of yourself. Yes, already we finished this lesson. For the revision purpose, I will explain you. Okay, so how you will take care of yourself? How you will take care of yourself? By keeping your all body parts clean. By keeping all your body parts clean. By doing brush. How many times you have to do your brush? Brush your teeth twice a day. And how many times you have to do your bath? You have to bath for 2 times. And you have to cut your nails regularly. Cut your nails regularly and comb your hair neatly. And comb your hair neatly. And what you have to do? You have to wear clean clothes. So that only you can maintain yourself neatly. Understand, children? So if you are not wearing clean dress, what will happen? What will happen? Germs will attack you. So what you have to do? You have to take care of yourself. So here we are having small exercise about this taking care of myself. I will just explain this one. Open your studio book and see where I am explaining. See here, small activity is there. Here in the A box, what is there? Smiley is there. How you will, here he is showing his teeth. How you will take caring for our teeth. So among these two, which one we will use to take care of our teeth? Here cap is there. Here toothbrush and paste is there. So which one we will use, children? Right. We will use toothbrush and paste. What you have to do? You have to tick here. Understand, children? Yes. Next, turn the page. Turn the page. Page number 12. Page number 12. Here in this box, caring for our fingers. Caring for our fingers. Here in this box, nail cutter is there. And here, sneakers means shoe is there. So, which one we will use? This one or this one? If you want to cut your nails, how you will take care of your fingers? By cutting nails. What we will use? Here the nail cutter is there. This one we will use. So you have to tick here. Next, see here. Caring for our hair. How you will take care of your hair? Tell me, children. Nice, very good. You will use your comb to take care of your hair. Am I right? Yes. And here shawl is there. This shawl we will use to take care of your hair? No, we can't use. So which one we will use? We will use the comb. Next, here man is there. He is shivering. He is shivering. So which one helps him? Soap. He will use soap. No. Sweater. Yes, he will wear sweater. Okay, children? All of you understand that exercise? Next, healthy habits. I will just revise this topic once. Listen carefully. Healthy habits. Healthy habits. Yes. So in this healthy habits, first of all we will discuss about stay fit. Stay fit. So what you will do if you want to stay fit, what you will do? You have to get about 8 hours of sleep each night. Get about, what you have to do, children? About 8 hours. 8 hours. 8 hours of 8 hours of sleep each night. Each night. Yes, children, am I right? Next. And what you have to do? Do some form of exercise every day. So how you will do the exercise? You can do the exercise by running, or you can walk, or you can go for a jogging, and also you can play. Understand, children? Yes, if you want to stay fit, what you will do? You have to get about 8 hours of sleep and do some form of exercise. Every day you have to do some form of exercise every day by running, walk, or you can play. Then you will be fit. Okay, children? Yes. Next, stay energized. All of you understand stay fit? So if you want to energize, what you have to do? What you have to do? You have to take the nutritious food. Nutritious food. Here nutritious food means stay energized. Stay energized. So if you want to stay energized, what you have to do? Yes, nutritious meal. Nutritious meals means your diet will be included with the fruits, fresh vegetables, milk, everything. Okay, children? What you have to follow here, I already explained you. Nutritious meals is nothing but you have to include in your meal carbohydrates, everything will be there. That means rice, dal, chapati, roti, yes, which will gives you the protein food. What are those? Pulses. Yes, children? Yes, already these things we already discussed. Next, and you have to eat the dairy products. Dairy products. Here the dairy products are nothing but curd, ghee, butter. Yes, children, all these things will come under dairy products. You have to stay energized. What you have to follow? Nutritious meal or diet. It is nothing but your diet should be complete. That means you have to take carbohydrates, proteins, yes, fats, all these things. So you have to eat rice, pulses, cereals, pulses, fresh fruits and vegetables. And also you have to include the dairy products and dry fruits. Okay, children? That is about stay energized. Next one. Next one is stay healthy. Next one is stay healthy. what you have to do if you want to stay healthy. Stay healthy. You have to practice good hygiene by keeping yourself clean and germ free. You have to keep yourself clean and germ free. That means you have to maintain yourself and you have to keep your surroundings also clean. Keep your surroundings also clean. Keep your surroundings also clean. And you have to maintain your personal hygiene. That means brush your teeth twice a day, comb your hair, yes, everything. And wear clean clothes. All these are coming under stay healthy. Next one is stay safe. How you will be safe? Stay safe. This already we discussed. Yes, children, you have to wear the proper gear while you are playing sports and also cycling or riding a bicycle. You have to wear a helmet and knee caps. Yes. Okay, children, for hands like that. Then you can maintain, you can be very, very safe when you are playing. Understand? Next one. Open page number 14. Here activity is there. Already we finished this one. Tick for good habits and cross for bad habits. Yes, here brushing teeth is good or bad? Tell me, children. Brushing teeth is good or bad? Good only? Yes. So we have to tick. Next one is combing hair. Combing hair. Tell me what about combing hair? Combing hair is also good or bad? Good only. Next. Having an uncleaned room. Here uncleaned room is there. What about this one? This is good or bad habit? Bad habit. So you have to cross here. Yes, children. Next. Washing clothes. Washing clothes is good or bad? Yes, we have to wash our clothes regularly. So we have to tick here. Washing clothes we have to tick. Next. Sneezing without covering the mouth. This is very, very bad habit. You have to sneeze, and how you will have to sneeze? You have to keep a handkerchief or a tissue, something like that, to cover your nose and mouth. Yes, children, you have to sneeze by covering your nose. Next one. Cutting fingernails. Is it good habit or bad habit? Good habit only. You have to cut your fingers regularly. So you have to tick there. Next, turn the page. Biting fingernails. This is also very, very bad habit. So you have to cross here. Biting nails is bad habit. What will happen if you are biting nails? The germs, the dust which is present here, it will also enter into your mouth while you are biting the nails. Next, being neatly dressed. It is also good habit. What is this one? Good habit only. Tick. Being regular with games and exercise. This is also good. You have to maintain your health. So by doing some type of exercise. If you want to stay fit, you have to do the exercise. So you can tick here. Understand, children? Yes. Next, turn the page, children. Turn the page. Here the complete the concept map is there. This one already we discussed. Here I have a beautiful name. Here you can write your name, I am talented. Talents already we discussed. I can sing, I can dance, like that. I take care of myself. How you will take care of yourself? By brushing teeth, cutting nails regularly. All these things are coming under maintaining yourself healthy. Next, about your likes and dislikes here. I like, what you will write? I like sweets and fruits. I wrote here. What do you like? You can write there. And your dislikes, you can write your dislikes. Next, down long answer questions are there. I will just revise once what we discussed about this. Okay. So open your EVS notes, children. Already we wrote these questions in your notes. Yes, children. So first lesson, long answers. Open it. I will just revise once. What is the first question? What is the first question, children? Name the sense organs and their respective functions. Yes. Name the sense organs. How many sense organs are there, children? And we have to discuss their respective functions. I will just revise once what we discussed. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. How many are there? 5 sense organs. What are those 5 sense organs? Tell me, children. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. These are the 5 sense organs. Yes. So I will just revise once. There are 5 sense organs. How your eyes will be useful to you, or what is the function of eyes? Eyes helps us to see the things around us. To see the things or objects, we can say. To see the objects. Don't write anything. Already it is there in your notes. I am just explaining once. To see the objects around us. To see the objects around us. Next. What is the function of ears? What is the function of ears, children? Ears. Ears helps us to hear. Help us to hear sounds. Hear sounds. Next. What is another sense organ? Eye, ears, nose. What is the use of nose? To breathe and smell. To breathe and smell. Yes. To breathe and smell. Next. Tongue. Tongue. What is the use of tongue, children? Tongue helps us to taste the food. To taste. So whether the food item is sweet, or it is sour, or it is bitter, or it is spicy, you can recognize it by using your tongue body part. Yes. Next one. Skin. Excuse me. Skin. So what is the use of skin? It covers our whole body. It covers our whole body, and it helps us to know the sense. to cover our whole body. And if you touch that anything, whether it is hot or it is cold, we can recognize by using our skin. Am I right, children? This is about our sense organs. How many sense organs are there? 5. What are those? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. These are the functions of sense organs. Understand, children? Already we finished this one. In your notes, these questions are there. These question and answers are there. You have to practice these question and answers. Okay, children? Next one. Next, second question. What is the second question? Read it out. Read, children. No need to write. I am just explaining these questions. Already we finished this one. You are having these questions in your notes. Just listen to me. For your revision purpose, I am repeating these questions again. Okay? Next, second question. Read it, children. What is the second question? List any 3 good habits related to stay fit and healthy. What you have to do to stay fit and healthy? Yes. Here already we discussed stay fit and healthy. Second question. List any 3 good habits. List any 3 good habits related to stay fit and healthy. So tell me, children, if you want to stay fit, what you will do? First of all, we will write stay fit. Get about 8 hours of sleep. Get about 8 hours of sleep. And what is the next one? Eight hours of sleep. And you can do the exercise. Do the exercise. Next, what you can do? Yoga, meditation, all these things are coming under yoga, meditation, all these are coming under stay fit. Children, how you will be stay fit, children? Yes, by doing some exercises, everything. Next, yoga. Next, how you will be stay healthy? Stay healthy. You have to stay healthy. You have to brush your teeth properly. Yes, brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. And cutting nails regularly. Comb your hair neatly. And what you have to do? You have to eat the nutritious food. Nutritious food to stay healthy. These questions are there in your notes. Yes, children, practice these question and answers one time in your rough for your revision purpose. Yes, keep a heading FA revision and you have to write down these questions from your notes in your rough. Keep a heading FA1 revision and complete these two questions. Okay children, tomorrow I am going to start the revision lesson 2, others in my world. Okay children, thank you, bye bye.